Look beyond the shoreline, water, water, and more water. Us, this small group of boys, stuck, stranded on this island, and us, all alone, to search for food, water, and survive. I know that we can't do this alone. I'm Ralph, and if you elect me as your leader, I promise to rally us together in order to pull through and survive. There was a speech by Ralph, the main character in the book Lord of the Flies. Yet, it was not written by the author, but by me, as part of my Sec 2 speech assignment. This project deepened my understanding of the text and its relevance to real-world themes and topics today. This is the core of the LA program at TJC, utilizing engaging, stimulating tasks in order to touch on the diverse range of real-world themes and topics. And from Sec 1 to Sec 2, I expect to delve deep into 4 well-renowned books such as Merchant of Venice and Lord of the Flies. They cover a broad range of topics from individuality and freedom of choice to utopian and dystopian societies. I'm sure that you will learn a lot.
As we delved deeper into LA in our IPC journey, we started learning topics more like self-identity and globalization's impacts. I believe one of the biggest opportunities presented to us in IPC was being able to give a TED Talk. I remember speaking on TED with my fellow peers. It was truly an unforgettable experience. From the various script revisions to the countless nights memorizing. I believe what made this experience the most meaningful was being able to write a speech authentic to ourselves, allowing us to talk about what we truly care and feel for. And that is what allows students in TJC to experience the best of LA.
Furthermore, our curriculum is forward-thinking, placing a strong emphasis on essay and comprehension skills to prepare students for the general paper in JC. We are also deep thinkers and deep learners, with students staying back after school to complete extra work, as well as booking consultations with teachers to clear up topics they are unsure about. The students' desire to learn is compounded by the teacher's desire to teach.
Our LA teachers are definitely one of a kind, as they constantly come up with innovative ideas to make our learning more effective. From the meticulously marked essays to the in-class debates, our LA teachers are constantly giving us feedback so that we can constantly improve. The ever-committed and passionate LA teachers are what make learning LA in TJC one of a kind.
Conclusion, I'm Judah.
And I'm Dish.
And we are sure that you will love LA at TJC. Thank you!